Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Down with Miss Brittany. Today we are going to use our sense of hearing to calm our bodies. Okay, so we're going to turn off all our other senses and just use hearing. You can do this inside or outside, preferably outside. I know I'm inside right now, but it's pouring outside where I am. So try and find a nice comfortable spot inside or outside. I had planned to do this outside, so I actually have a recording of an outside sound. So I'm going to turn that up. If you like, you can listen to my recording or you can listen around where you are. We're going to try to hear all the different things going on. Okay? So turn off your eyes and your sense of touch and turn on your sense of hearing. While you're listening, focus on your breath and take nice, long, deep breaths. Try and hear the air coming in and out of your lungs. In this recording, I hear birds, lots of birds chirping. Maybe outside by your house you can hear some birds. I also hear a river with water running. Some other things you may hear are cars driving by. Maybe the wind blowing and rustling the leaves. Maybe you hear people talking. Try and listen to everything you can. Alright, and when you think you've heard all you can hear, open your eyes, take one last deep breath in, and out. Alright, I hope you guys are ready to listen to a book now with your super great hearing. Bye.